Today, we will show you how to crop an image into a circle shape using frames in Canva. This is a great way to highlight profile pictures, logos, or stylish design elements. On the Canva dashboard, to crop a circle, we cannot do it using the crop tool alone. There is no crop option for circles in Canva. All we need to do is add a frame first. Go to Elements, find the Elements panel, and then click Frames. From there, choose the circle frame and drag it onto the blank canvas. Now it is time to add an image. We will use this Canva image as an example. As you can see, it will automatically drop into the circle shape. Let's swap the image to see how it looks with a different one. We can choose a photo that stands out, like this one. As you can see, it is now cropped into a circle. We can also adjust the image inside the frame. Simply make it bigger or reposition it to fit your preferences. And that's all there is to it. We have successfully cropped an image into a circle shape using a Canva frame. Now the design looks cleaner and more professional.